Hello everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. I am Arpita Sharma, your educator, and today we are going to analyze the Hindu newspaper for 9th June 2020. आज की क्लास में हम 9th June 2020 का द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर एनालाइज करने वाले हैं. So in today's class what I am going to do is I am going to analyze the important topics from the newspaper. I am going to filter them out for all of you. So indirectly I am going to teach you how to filter news articles, important current affairs for UPSC CSE yourself from the newspaper. इनडायरेक्टली आज की क्लास में मैं आपको सिखाने वाली हूँ कि कैसे न्यूज़पेपर में से इम्पोर्टेंट आर्टिकल्स को आप खुद यूपीएससी सीएसई के पर्सपेक्टिव से फिल्टर आउट कर सकते हो. ठीक है. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर, इट इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूज़पेपर फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन, बोथ फॉर प्रीलिम्स एंड फॉर मेंस. प्रीलिम्स और मेंस दोनों के लिए ही हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर काफी इंपॉर्टेंट न्यूज़पेपर माना जाता है. राइट. नाउ व्हेन वी लुक एट पेज नंबर 1, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू कीप योर सिलेबस विद यू. आपको आपके साथ आपका सिलेबस रखना पड़ेगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिलेबस वी आर गोइंग टू एनालाइज. मॉल्स कैफेज रीओपन टू अ न्यू नॉर्मल. दिस पर्टिकुलर न्यूज इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. ये न्यूज हमारे लिए इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है दैट इन द अनलॉकडाउन वन malls and cafes are reopening. Right. This is not important for us. Now over here you can see military level talks positive, says Rajnath. This news is important from GS paper 2's perspective. So first of all, when you open up the newspaper like this, you have to filter. So on every page, I'm going to tell you how to filter the news and then how to read it. Okay. So on page number 1, this news is important for GS paper 2. Military level talks are going on, right? So over here, India-China dispute say regarding जो news है वो IR में आएगी GS paper 2. On page number 1, we have filtered out. Similarly, MSME revival package yet to take off. Again, page number 1. This is related to GS paper 3 economics. So we are filtering the news first. पहले हम filter कर रहे हैं news को. Okay, clear? So 2 news we have filtered, 2 articles we have filtered right now. हमने 2 articles filter कर दिए हैं. Saving a heart in the midst of lockdown. No, this is not important with this, with the syllabus. LG overrules Delhi government order to restrict COVID-19 treatment. Very important, GS paper 2. Why? Because the powers of Lieutenant Governor over the CM, that we have to understand. Okay, this is a part of polity. ये आपके polity का part है. So LG's power and CM's power. If can LG override Delhi government's order, yes or no? State, union territory या state के order को governor या lieutenant governor override कर सकता है, overrule कर सकता है. So that we need to study. So on page number 1 we have filtered out 3 important articles. Page 1 पे हमने 3 important articles filter out कर दिए हैं. ठीक है. Now over here you will look at this picture, right? Now do not ignore this picture. इस picture को on page 1 do not ignore it. The picture says people of West Khasi Hill district in Meghalaya crossing a hanging bridge across the Sri River to a market in Kamrup district of Assam. The market was reopened, that is why people are going to that market. Now here we have Sri River, इधर हमारे पास Sri River है, West Khasi Hill district in Meghalaya. So we have to understand the geographical location, right? For prelims it is important. So mark this news as pre करके mark कर दो इस news को. Sri River, you have to remember where this river is located. This is important from the perspective of prelims. ठीक है? So this was page number 1. Now page number 2 with over 1000 fresh cases, COVID-19, no, this is not important. Not all government hospitals refusing to treat patients, no, this is not relevant for UPSC, CSE, right? Okay, so page number 2 we have no important article. Page number 3, eateries, temples, Palika Bazaar, take precautions. No, this is also not important for exam perspective. Malls reopen. No, this is also not important. Most eateries in Gurugram shut despite government orders. UP implement checks as Delhi opens border. This is also not relevant for our exam perspective. ये भी important नहीं है. Police file charge sheet in Ratanlal murder case. This is also not important, right? Now page number 4, page number 2 and 3, no important article. Page number 4, license to go but people prefer to eat and pray another day. Tepid response across northern and eastern states to malls, restaurants, places. This is also not important for our UPSC perspective. ठीक है. Protest in Punjab against agri ordinance. Ordinance के खिलाफ state में protest हो रहे हैं. That is also not important for UPSC CSE. All right. Now over here you will see this particular news. आप ये न्यूज देखोगे आपके पेज नंबर 4 पर, ऑन पेज नंबर 4, लो प्रेशर एरिया ओवर बे ऑफ बंगाल. नाउ दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर जीएस पेपर 1 ज्योग्राफी, राइट. ये ज्योग्राफी के पर्सपेक्टिव से जीएस पेपर 1 के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है. So you have to you have to study the chapter on cyclone and monsoons and climate in 9th class NCERT to cover this particular news. Okay, what is low pressure area, how cyclones are formed, okay, why they are formed in Bay of Bengal. This question is covered in 9th class geography NCERT. Clear? So you have to study that topic. So page number 4, one important article. Then page number 5, Maharashtra seeing a circus, not a sarkar. No, this is not important. This comment is not important for our exam. Rajasthan tops in job scheme. Now this particular article, in this article you have to study Magnarega. Magnarega पढ़ना है आपको इस particular article में. Right? So here this is important for GS paper 2's perspective. What is Magnarega? How Rajasthan is faring in the scheme? Right? Rajasthan का क्या performance है scheme में? आपको वो पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Clear? So on page number 5 we have 2 articles. Page 5 में हमारे पास 2 articles हैं. Now moving ahead to this page number 6, editorial page. Who's afraid of monetization of the deficit? Now this particular article, editorial, you just have to read it. इसको आपको सिर्फ पढ़ना है. As the government began to wrestle with severe downturn caused by novel coronavirus pandemic, some economic pundits urged the government to go out and spend without worrying about the increase in public debt. Now this is just a critical article. ये एक critical article है. So I am not clubbing it under any paper in this GS paper 3 और GS paper 2. मैं किसी भी पेपर में नहीं इसको क्लब कर रही हूँ because ये एक critical article है about monetization of deficit, right? So you just have to read it from the perspective of your interview के perspective से पढ़ना है. Here in this article you will come across terms like open market operations, OMO. Okay, यहाँ पर आपको open market operations जैसे terms मिलेंगे. So you have to make down or you have to note down the meaning of these terms. आपको क्या करना है कि इन terms के meanings को लिखना है. ठीक है. What is open market operation? Important for prelims. Then what is deficit? Important for prelims. Okay, आपको ये याद रखना है. What is deficit? That is important for prelims. Right? Fiscal stimulus which government has launched. Right? आत्मनिर्भर अभियान पैकेज जो है वो आपको पैकेज अच्छे से पढ़ना है. For GS paper 3 that package you have to study. Then you have to study the Moody's current rating. We have been rated at Baa3, which is the very bad rating given to India. So what is this rating? What is the implication? And what is this junk category in which we have been put in? ये junk category का मतलब क्या है? So these are the things which you have to study in this article. इस article में आपको ये छोटे-छोटे चीज के points बनाने हैं. So this article you have to study. Then the next article is step by step. This article talks about India and China dispute. LAC पे जो India China का dispute चल रहा है. So GS paper 2. In this article you have to study what is the dispute, why it is going on and what is LAC. आपको ये पढ़ना है कि line of actual control होता क्या है. Right? Clear everyone? Now next important article is the critical role of decentralized responses. Again this article you just have to go through this article. Right? इसको नोट डाउन करने की, नोट्स बनाने की कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस आर्टिकल रिगार्डिंग कोविड-19 क्राइसिस, हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डील विद इट, हाउ लोकल गवर्नमेंट इज गोइंग टू डील विद इट. राइट? क्या लोकल गवर्नमेंट को एम्पावर किया गया है? इज लोकल गवर्नमेंट हैविंग द पावर्स, राइट, द इनफ पावर्स टू डील विद दिस पर्टिकुलर क्राइसिस? दैट यू हैव टू स्टडी इन दिस आर्टिकल. ओके, क्लियर? Now coming on to page number 7, resume dialogue with Nepal. Now again India-Nepal bilateral issues, GS paper 2. So because of the Kalapani territory, the dispute is going on ना between India-Nepal. India-Nepal के बीच में dispute चल रहा है ना कालापानी टेरिटरी को लेकर. Then both the sides have launched their own maps. दोनों ही sides ने अपने अपने maps launch कर दिए हैं, right? So that you have to study from prelims perspective. Prelims perspective से आपको वो पढ़ना है. In mains perspective you have to study that what is this issue going on between India and Nepal, why they are fighting over the Kalapani territory. Treaty of Sogoli आपको पढ़ना है, that we have studied earlier also in the classes, right? Clear everyone? So this article you have to study. The e-diplomacy experiment, GS paper 3 के perspective से पढ़ना है. Because India, Australia have undertaken virtual summit, right? June 4 को virtual meeting हुई थी, digital summit was conducted. So how efficient these e-summits are, how they are going to prove fruitful in the diplomacy and in the relationship between our global relation with other countries. So that you need to study for GS paper 3 and GS paper 2. Clear? इतना समझ आ गया? Now question the page number 8. पेज नंबर 8 में अगर आप देखोगे, दिस आर्टिकल इज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. पॉलिटिकल न्यूज नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. नाउ तिरुमला टेम्पल, यू जस्ट हैव टू रिमेंबर वेयर दिस टेम्पल इज लोकेटेड. ये टेम्पल कहाँ लोकेटेड है, वेयर इज इट लोकेटेड एंड व्हाट इज द टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर. इट इज द्रविडियन टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर. ठीक है, इसका आर्किटेक्चरल स्टाइल है द्रविडियन टेम्पल आर्किटेक्चर. Okay, so that you have to study for art and culture. What is Dravidian temple architecture? So it will be important for GS paper 1. इसके अंदर आपको थोड़ी सी सर्च करनी पड़ेगी. This news is not important, but about Tirumala temple you need to search where this temple is located and what kind of temple architecture it has. It has Dravidian temple architecture. Alright. No other news is important on this page. Page number 9. Again political news है. Not important, right? ये भी news important नहीं है. Then page number 10, again not very important. यहाँ पर भी topic important नहीं है. Over here you can see NHRC seeks report on deaths by police action. This news is not important. NHRC is just asking for reports. What is important here is what is NHRC, National Human Rights Commission, when was it established and what is the aim of this particular organization. Aim या objective क्या है इस organization का, that is important. So NHRC's website will provide you the necessary information. Clear? Page number 11, farmers are strong not vulnerable, they need to be given choices. So here direct marketing choice जो lockdown period में reduce कर दी गई है farmers की, on that the interviews has been published of Sanjay Agrawal. Sanjay Agrawal जी का interview इसमें publish किया गया है, right? He is the agricultural secretary. Just go through this interview. This is important for your interview purpose. ये आपके interview और GS paper 3 mains के purpose से important है, right? What is MSP, right? MSP क्या होता है? Is MSP beneficial? Minimum support prices, what is it, right? Is it good for the farmers? What is contract farming? Now here you can see contract farming. This is important for prelims. ये आपके prelims के लिए important है. Clear? This is how you have to identify. इस तरीके से आपको identify करना है. Then no other news is important. Then rest of the news are not very good. बाकी की news तो marketing news है. ठीक है? These are not very important. New Zealand is free of COVID-19, very important for prelims. ये prelims के लिए important है. New Zealand has lifted all the social and economic restrictions except border controls after declaring it free of COVID-19. It is one of the first countries in the world to return to pre-pandemic normality. Public and private events, retail and hospitality industries, all public transport were allowed to resume without distancing rules still in place. Without the distancing rules still in place across much of the world. So finally New Zealand ने ये कहा है कि we have reported 1,154 infections and 22 deaths, right? And right now 7 weeks का lockdown it implemented. It implemented 7 weeks lockdown, that is 75 days lockdown, and finally it has said that New Zealand is lockdown free. So this news is important for prelims, which is the first country which declared itself free of COVID-19. It is COVID-19 free. Okay, तो कौन सी पहली country है जिसने declare किया? That is New Zealand. It is important for your prelims. Okay. Now other news are not important. Now comes page number 15. Economy to contract 3.2%. This news is important for prelims. In financial year 2021, this statement came from World Bank. World Bank ने बोला है कि इकोनॉमी जो होगी इंडिया की वो श्रिंक होगी. It will shrink. 3.1% का परफॉर्मेंस इकोनॉमी का आएगा. It will shrink by contract by 3.2 or 3.1%. Right? This is not a very good news given by World Bank. ये बहुत अच्छी न्यूज नहीं है. Also about World Bank also you need to highlight certain points. When it was set up, right? Who are the member nations in World Bank? What is the objective of World Bank? ये भी आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा. ठीक है? The other news, mutual funds see dip in equity scheme inflows. Here what you need to study is what are mutual funds. This is important for prelims. Mutual funds क्या होते हैं आपको वो पढ़ना है इसके अंदर. The news is not very important. You just have to find out what are mutual funds. Okay? Clear? Now other news are not important. The next news which is important is RBI moots. Moots का मतलब होता है plan. It plans comprehensive norms for sale of loans. So this news you need to study, right? ये आपको पढ़ना है. Then second news, GS paper 3 corporate tax SOP date may be extended. Now this news is not important. You need to study for prelims what is corporate tax. Prelims के लिए पढ़ना है कि corporate tax क्या होता है. ठीक है? Clear? And then this news is important for prelims. AIMO survey has been conducted. All India Manufacturer Organization survey. You have to remember the findings of this survey for 2020 and 2021 prelims. Clear? So only this much you need to study. ये आपको पढ़ना है. So within 15 minutes I have told you what to study, how much to study, and I have also told you how to make notes. मैंने ये भी बता दिया है कि क्या note down करना है. What you need to note down from the news, right? So this was all for today. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you understood how to read the newspaper now. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.